How to add XAUUSD on MT4. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 4 app, and now you can see there is course option at the bottom left corner of this section. So just tap on course, and now you can see there are lots of options to trade, but if you don't find your symbol, then what you can do is you can see there is a plus icon at the top right corner. Just tap on that plus icon, and you can simply search it in search bar. So let me search XAUUSD in here. Now you can see there is XAUUSD option available, so just tap on plus button of a specific symbol. So once you tap on it, you will be able to add your XAUUSD in MT4 successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add your XAUUSD on MT4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.